I'm losing my mind just a little. So why don't you just meet me in the middle? In the middle.
Hello my loves, now it's been a long time since I have filmed or posted anything on my social media. Now if you guys do follow me on social media, you will know a little bit about what's been going on, but not completely because I did not announce it here on my channel. Now recently, this summer has just been really horrible for me. It's been filled with a lot of crying, sorrow, and I did suffer a big loss. My grandfather passed away and I was the one closest to him, so that took a real big toll on me and my family. So, you know, I've just been trying to cope with it and everything. I'm not 100% ready to be back on YouTube and my social media. However, I am posting a little bit here and there, and I will try to be posting videos, but I'm going to need a lot of time to just cope with this, like I said, because I don't want to put out things and I'm all like smiley and everything's really not okay, you know what I mean? But I mean, I had this video planned for a while and I never got to post it up because my grandfather got ill all of a sudden and he was in the hospital for over a month, and then he ended up just leaving us. So, you know, I just finished this video the other day and I was like, I gotta do the intro and the outro, but I have to explain to you guys also what's been going on so that way you know and you don't think that I just abandoned this channel. Now, I do have a lot of you DMing me. You guys are asking me what's been going on. So I have been talking to you guys in the DMs and I really appreciate your love and support. I'm sorry, I can't even talk, you know. And I do have a lot of other videos planned for you guys. Like, I have been getting a lot of Funkos and stuff recently and Harry Potter merch. I just never got around to filming a haul for you guys. But I did want to fill you in and let you guys know what's been going on. So everything's not 100% perfect. I'm still dealing with this big loss and I'm trying to cope with it, like I said. So it's gonna be hard to just get back to my regular schedule, and we haven't even been home here in Pennsylvania for a long time. Like, we've been going from here to Jersey, back and forth, hotels and everything. So it's like I haven't even been in my own house for a long time. So being back in Pennsylvania is just like, it's like I'm in another world again because I was not home for such a long time, and we had to go back to New Jersey this weekend again. And in my culture, we just do like pujas and stuff when someone passes away, just to finalize it and everything. So that's what we have to do. And after that, you know, I'm gonna try to get back on my vlogging game and everything. But like I said, this summer has not really been a good summer and things have not been that well. But you know, I just want to fill you guys in. So if you guys want to see how to make these really cool DIYs that I really love, then just keep on watching. For this part, you are going to need some red felt, some brown felt, some scissors, some googly eyes, extra hot glue, a hot glue gun, and something to hold up your little craft. Now, the first step in making your own monster book of monsters is just cutting out any design that you want around it. So I try to make it jagged just like how the actual one looks like. So just take your time and do that. Now you just want to repeat the same steps around your book of monsters until you are happy with the way it looks. I just kept cutting these little triangular shapes around my book and I love how it turned out. Now I'm just going to take that small piece of cardboard that I found from a box and I'm going to glue that on the inside to keep my book open. Now I'm going to take my red felt and I'm just going to start cutting the tongue out for my book of monsters, and I'm going to take my white felt and start cutting out the teeth. Alright, now when cutting out the teeth, you just want to be careful, and there is no exact way to do this. Just go ahead and try. I mean, I'm not an artist either. I tried the best I can. Once you're done cutting out your teeth, you're going to hot glue them onto your little pieces of red felt. I use that for the gums. When you are done with that, now you're going to hot glue them onto the inside of your book of monsters, and there you go, he has his teeth. Now taking your googly eyes, you're going to hot glue them individually onto your book of monsters, and there you go, he has his cute little eyeballs. And last but not least, now you're going to hot glue his tongue into his mouth, and there is a finished product, guys. How cute is this? I love how it looks. And now to make Nagini's venom, you are going to need a vial, which I got at Michael's for only $1. You're going to need some silver glitter, some green glitter, or any glitter of your choice, Mod Podge, a sponge brush, and a potion label. Now you can fill your vial with either water or clear glue. I chose to use water, and I poured my glitter into the vial, and once I was done, I put some hot glue onto the cork and I just sealed that onto my vial. Now for this next step, I want you guys to please be careful. It doesn't matter what age you are, because let me tell you, I almost burned myself a lot with this. So you're just going to burn the edges around your potion label to make it look all old and cool, and then once you're done with that, you're going to use some Mod Podge and stick that onto your vial. And there you have it, Nagini's Venom. It was super easy and super fast to make. For this next DIY, you are going to need 4 pieces of felt in the Hogwarts house colors, some labels which I printed off of Google, some sticks, Mod Podge, scissors, and a ruler. To make it easier for myself, I'm going to stack all my felt onto one another, and then I'm going to take that stick to measure out where I want to make my marking, and then I'm going to start cutting. Once you're done cutting out your pieces of felt, you're going to take your ruler once again and you're going to measure a triangle, and then you're going to cut that out as well. The purpose of cutting the triangle out of the bottom of your felt is to make your banners look clean, cut, and fresh. Now you're going to take your sponge brush and you're going to apply some Mod Podge to the back of your cutouts, and you're going to glue them neatly onto your banners, and there you go. Now you're simply gonna hot glue your banners onto the sticks. Now what I did was I took some thread and I tied it onto each end of the rod. That way I could hang my banners up on my wall. So you could use whatever you want. You could use twine, you could use yarn, whatever you want. Guys, now look how cute this looks on my wall. I just love this. The next DIY is really quite simple actually. You could use a mini chalkboard or you could get a blank board and just paint. And all you're going to do is write whatever you please. I chose to write this on here because I thought that it would be fun and it did give me a chuckle, and I hung it on my bedroom door and I thought that it looked really cute. That surely added some spice to my door and it made my family laugh as well. My babies, that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave some comments down below, and once again, if you guys did decide to recreate any of these DIYs, please tag me in photos on Instagram, snap them to me, or you guys can tweet them to me. And until next time, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah!
I thought